Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the Double Shot Kit for March 2023. So our Double Shot Kit includes two brand new collections. You get pattern paper, cardstock, embellishments. You also get two recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph so that you can see what it's going to look like when you're finished. You'll also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You just for our Scrap Room members. This month it's this cut file here. It's a spring thing with the daffodils. So it's a great title. You could use it really large for the whole page or smaller, break it apart and just use the words. So many ways that you can use that. As you can see, this month's kit is beautiful florals. We're into spring and summer, and I am ready for it. So our two collections are Doodlebug Design, Over the Rainbow, and Pink Fresh Flower Market. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. Starting with Over the Rainbow from Doodlebug, you're going to get two sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of marigold cardstock, and then your pattern papers is this one here, Rainbow Wishes, which has all of the rainbows on the white background, and then we have this really adorable cloud print on the back. This paper is called Mini Meadow, and it has the little mushrooms and flowers and four-leaf clovers. The back is a polka dot on green. We have this paper called Shine Bright with the diagonal stripes of all the rainbow colors. And then this is my favorite sheet. So it has the large tags with the date and location. So these would be perfect to cut apart and use for your embellishing spots. Love that. I think I need more of that paper. So one more look at your pattern paper. Then for your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the bits and pieces. So their embellishment packs are just always jam-packed. So this is a sample of what you could get. They will all vary among the kits. You're also going to get some of the puffy stickers. So again, these will vary, but this is what I got. The little ladybugs, row of hearts, and the clouds, and the sunshine. So super cute. I cannot wait to create with that. So that is Doodlebug Designs Over the Rainbow. Our next collection is Flower Market from Pink Fresh Studios. So another gorgeous floral collection. Your cardstock includes two sheets of Touch of Pink and a sheet of Stonewash cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one called Nostalgia, which is the beautiful bouquet of florals. The back is this fun kind of geometric print, but it creates a floral in the middle with yellow and white. We have this paper called Palette, which is just a play on stripes. The back is another kind of geometric design. We have this paper called Avery, which is gorgeous, floral, botanical, with the birds with the blue. And the back is again kind of a diamond design with the florals in it. This collection is just really pretty. It's great for just about any kind of documenting. So your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of types of embellishments. Again, these will all vary among the kits, but you're going to get a row of enamel dots. I got pink ones. You're going to get some stickers here, so they will vary. You're going to get some chipboard frames. Again, everything's going to be vary, but that's the ones that I got. And some die cuts here, so some floral die cuts. So that is Flower Market from Pink Fresh Studio. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available. If you want more product, check out the flavors of the month. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog, and join in on some challenges, win some prizes. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.